He was yelling pew 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 pew. I'm doing like some anime run or something. It's recording.
Come on. I want to see something. I'll give it back. Let me see it. I want to see it.
No.
Real quick, please. I want to see what this would look like.
Why? It just doesn't matter.
Please.
It wouldn't look good because it's just
Just
white.
let me see the backstop. Just let me. Okay. Now, they're really good.
That doesn't look the best.
Ooh, I like this. Nothing good. Here, I'll load it up. I got a retaliator for. Well, I just got a retaliator with my money. I'm loading. Well, no, why'd I call you Paris? Paris is a jerk. No offense. No offense. No offense. I bet Paris's fans like none.
Ow. He doesn't have a YouTube channel yet.
When he does. Okay, can you get that boy?
Bullet. Come on. Come on, you need to start the Nerf War.
Oh, you're horsing.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll tell you when the Nerf War starts. But for now, you guys just wait. Oh yeah, this also looks legit. So okay, just chill. Okay, guys. Okay, we're back, guys. I know it seemed like it took forever. It was only been a second since I just showed you. But we're starting the Nerf War now. You stay in the front. You go in the front, I go in the back, okay? Okay? I got the E11 with his stock. With his retaliator stock. Okay. He's gonna follow me. Here, let me go in the back. That hurt. Is that a Nerf bullet down there? No. No signs of them. I hear 'em. So do I.
Only if it was that easy.
Yay! Okay. Let's go. Whoa! How'd you get here so fast? Hey, I'm loaded.
Mine is 2. Wait, hold.
No, not right now. You can't use it. Hope you didn't see that. Okay, reloaded. Yeah? 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 Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
What happened?
He doesn't want us going to the plants. Sorry about that, guys.
I have a red dot sight.
And I have a sight on your face.
I have more than one gun.
And I have one at your face. Like an inch away from your face. Don't make me shoot. What's up with my camera? Okay, wait, pause. Okay, camera fix, let's go.
We need to reload real quick.
Yep.
Sound out. Get your bullets.
I got my, where are they?
One's right there.
Okay, I'm pausing this. No.
You are my servant now.
Oh,
Put
what?
down your
What?
weapon.
Okay, wait. I have a problem.
Sorry
Okay.
guys for the delay. It's just the bullets weren't working.
They were jamming, but I'm fine now. Jump over the bike.
They work now.
What was that? Stupid. I swear they. Stupid squirrels hate me. Ammo. See this weird ammo on the ground? Ammo. Let's put that in my pocket. Just in case the opportunity rises. I see you! Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ugh. Okay. Maybe I'll give him a clue to where I am. I'm also looking through the camera, so no, not as much anymore. There's a trap. So. Ow! How'd you know?
I saw you. I was hiding up there in the car.
How do you hide under the car? They're really low down. Dang it. Oh, I missed! I do too.
I just still miss.
Because I'm looking through the camera. Ah!
Don't shoot me through the camera.
Okay then. Ah! Ow!
Better to handle with the pistol when you're holding a camera.
I know.
You want to use this?
Yeah. Oh, I got you.
Or you don't even have to use it like that. You don't have to put it on your arm. You can take the stock off. Get off the board.
Let me get a lot louder if I'm using the pistol.
You really want to use the pistol?
Yes.
Do you have any more?
Ammo? Probably. No. Well, yeah, but it's kind of messed up. I'll be right back when I got all my ammo. Welcome back to my room. La 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 la. I know this has been a long video, but does it look like I'm stopping? No. Here's my new pistol. Has a laser sight. Works from far. It even reflects. It's probably in my room. Oh my god, you scared me.
I would rather have that.
Too bad.
I would rather have this.
Too bad.
Keep this. You need some bullets for that?
I have 10 bullets. I'm gonna be in the back, okay? You stay in the front. You know how it goes. I'll go in the back, you stay in the front. What? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna trick him. I think he knows. Hey! I scared you.
I can see you.
Ooh, lucky.
I see you.
I see you too.
Stay back.
How about I'm reloading? Reload, take faster.
Dang, this bullet is jacked up.
Still loaded. Stay back. Hey, stay back. I will get the final shot. Whoever shoots the other person at the end of the video wins this battle. Ah! No!
Then you're dead, so you have to wait for...
I lost this time. But not anymore. I will win in the next video. Goodbye, guys.